Hi, I'm Janelle Endres with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and today I would like to introduce you to 14209 Arbor Pines Drive in Riverview, Florida. The spacious open floor plan is over 1,800 square feet, has been meticulously maintained, and its convenient location is likely one of Riverview's best kept secrets. Enjoy the extraordinary privacy and roomy layout of this property in a wonderful neighborhood on a quiet street. The floor plan is a 2-story dream home offering 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The cook in your family will love this kitchen that comes with ample counter space, plenty of cabinets, and a large pantry for storage. The former model home has many designer upgrades and awesome features not easily found in today's market. There's a large living room and dining room space along with a half bath on the first floor. Upstairs you'll discover the master suite, 3 other bedrooms, as well as a loft perfect for family game nights. Nestled in the heart of the beautiful South Shore area, Southport is a master plan community perfect for those seeking an active lifestyle. Just a short drive from Brandon with easy access to I-75 and US Highway 301, the community offers a peaceful suburban ambiance with a variety of dining, shopping, and entertainment options nearby. Residents can enjoy convenient on-site amenities such as a community center and swimming pool. The Arbor Pines residence is priced to sell, and if you are thinking of buying this wonderful home, call me, Janelle, and I'll show you an opportunity for peaceful living. Remember our VIP buyer guarantee. If you are not satisfied with this purchase within 12 months, we will sell it for free. Also, if you are thinking of selling a home, call me. We guarantee the sale of your home or we will buy it ourselves. Call me and start packing. Janelle Endres at 727-755-3069.